So next, run disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is useful when your system lock and space the critical cache files such as Windows Update cache file in the case corrupted or bugs for this. Okay, so click to start and type disk cleanup. Okay, and run as administrator. Okay, so open this, select download program file, temporary internet file. Okay, scroll down, find out Microsoft Defenders, this one check, and direct sender cache, this one. Okay, and uncheck to temporary file. If you select this one, so automatically clean your recycle bin. Okay, if your data, you can uncheck it and then okay, and then now this is cleaning. Windows Update cleanup. So it will take some time. Okay, so it will complete it after you restart your system. Okay, thank you.